Ka BJP Meghalaya hakasngin ningkong kala pynbna ya ka executive committee bapura nak Bynta ban Pynkhreh ke Elekshon MP ka ban Longshan haus namban 1 na shnong batura. Haba pynbna ya ka thup ki Nongkitkam ba Thymmai jaga BJP. U presiden ka parti u Rikman ji momen ula pentem bakini ki kenthop ki hendriangut ki state vice president arngut ki state general secretary bat hendriangut ki state secretary na lor ki jingialang na ki longkme samla bat kiwe.
Approval from the center. So I'd like to announce our office bearer. One by one I'll be naming up. The state vice president is Mr. Pynkhreh Marak, Krau Gokinen Basomai, Wankibok, Osna, Symbud Marak, Sri Gaganjen, and Srimati Sangma. These are the 6 vice presidents. The general secretaries are Dr. Everest Morsing and Lakonbian. State secretaries are Akabian Lindo, Dr. Bernadette Lindo, Sri Adam Kid, Srimati Brevia Kaba, Sri Premananda Coach, and Mr. Bikin Pradhan. State Treasurer is Sri Sarban Junjalwala. Office Secretary is Srimati Arundhati Paul. State Mahila Morcha is Suki Paryat. State President Yuva Morcha, Mr. Mewakar Lindo. State ST Morcha, Sri Thomas N Marak. State Kisan Morcha, Sri Aralden Sabong. And lastly, State Minority Morcha is Sri Sahidur Rahman. So these are the office bearer which has been approved by our central office. For this one election purpose for the party, we have already prepared because our members are still there. Only the office bearer has been changed. A president has been changed. That's all. All mandals are still exist. Of a booth level all exist. So we don't have to worry much about it. And that will be announced by the center only.